请全体起立，恭迎索达吉堪布仁波切。
Please sit down.
请入座。
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks very much for coming.
尊敬的各位来宾，下午好，欢迎大家的到来。
Today we are very honored to invite Khenpo Sudaji Rinpoche, an influential and acknowledged Tibetan Buddhist master, to give us a lecture in this place, ABF.
今天我们非常荣幸地邀请到了一位颇具影响力的藏传佛教大师索达吉堪布仁波切来到 ABF 为我们演讲。
As we all know, in today's materialistic society that is full of fierce competition, people's hearts are more and more impetuous and anxious under this kind of heavy pressure. So in this environment, Khenpo tirelessly teaches and translates Dharma, not only encouraging Buddhist practitioners to cultivate loving kindness and compassion in daily life, but also inspiring lay people to be happy with Buddhist practice.
在物欲横流的社会，人们在重重的压力下，内心变得越来越浮躁、焦虑时，堪布一直孜孜不倦地日夜传讲、翻译佛法。一方面鼓励佛教徒在日常生活中培养仁爱和慈悲心，另一方面也鼓励大众用佛教的精神找到内心的幸福和喜悦。
Khenpo has many lectures about happiness, such as the essence of the happiness is the heart. At the same time, Khenpo also has many bestseller books, such as a Buddhist Lama's advice for life's ups and downs, and Achieve by Doing, which encourages people live life with positive energies.
堪布曾做过《幸福的根本是心》和《遇见喜悦》佛教告诉你调整情绪的方法等演讲。另外，堪布也撰写了多部畅销书，如《苦才是人生，做才是得道》，以此来帮助人们以正能量生活。
In these lectures and books, Khenpo always says that there are two main ways to obtain happiness and even eternal happiness. One is being compassionate with a good heart of benefiting others. The other is to enlighten wisdom through learning Pranaparamita, the heart of Buddhist wisdom.
在演讲和著书中，堪布经常提到，让生活充满喜悦的方法主要有两种：一是以菩提心利益他人，二是懂得般若波罗蜜多空性智慧。
Today, we are so lucky here that Khenpo will give us a lecture called A Rare Kind of Happiness, Heart Sutra.
而今天，堪布将为我们带来名为《心经超凡的喜悦》的讲座。
The Heart Sutra is the essence of all the Pranaparamita, with very short writing but very, very profound meanings. Some of you might already get benefit from it, even by just reading its beautiful words.
心经以简短的文字和深刻的微妙意义，表达了所有般若波罗蜜多的精华。在座的有些人，甚至即便通过读诵心经，也能够减轻压力、放松心情，并感受到平和的心境。
Now let's welcome Khenpo Sudaji Rinpoche, and I believe you would find the greatest happiness from this delicious spiritual food.
现在，让我们大家以热烈的掌声欢迎索达吉堪布仁波切。相信你们能在这一精神大餐中收获那份最难得的喜悦。